Challenges. This evaluation comes in response to the numerous challenges presented by the current model, which involves outsourcing various stages of the supply chain, including transportation, slaughtering, packaging, and exporting. These challenges include inefficiencies due to a lack of integration, biosecurity risks, intense competition from other red meat exporters, evolving consumer demands, price fluctuations, and the impacts of climate change. Over the past 12 months, XXXXX has faced significant difficulties using this traditional model, which is common in Australia's red meat processing industry. Solution. To address these challenges, XXXXX is considering moving away from the traditional processing model and exploring the use of mobile abattoirs. Mobile abattoirs are relatively new to Australia, with only one company currently utilizing this model. There are two potential solutions under consideration: I. Purchasing a mobile abattoir, and 2. Outsourcing export orders to a mobile abattoir provider. Both solutions are being evaluated for their potential to enhance exports to XXXXX's Singapore facility for further processing and re-exporting to Asia and Europe. The Singapore facility can focus on processing meat to cater to the preferences and requirements of Asian and European customers. Ownership of a mobile abattoir. The proposed mobile abattoir ownership model offers significant benefits and addresses the limitations of the current model. By adopting this approach, XXXXX can potentially achieve a lower cost per cattle, translating to substantial savings compared to the traditional model, where costs are higher due to reliance on external abattoirs and logistics. Owning a mobile abattoir provides XXXXX with greater control over the production process, leading to improved quality and efficiency. Mobile abattoir outsourcing. While the outsourcing services model potentially offers a lower cost per cattle compared to the current model, it does not fully address the persistent bottlenecks in the abattoir and transportation processes. These bottlenecks stem from the dependency on third-party service providers for critical stages of the supply chain. Specifically, outsourcing to external mobile abattoirs or conventional facilities means XXXX must align its operations with the schedules, capacity constraints, and logistical challenges of these third parties. One significant issue with relying on external abattoirs is the potential for delays and inefficiencies. Traditional abattoirs often operate at full capacity, leading to long wait times for processing cattle. This can disrupt XXX's production timeline, causing delays in getting products to market and potentially affecting the freshness and quality of the beef. Additionally, transportation logistics can further complicate the process. Conclusion. Transitioning to a mobile abattoir ownership model represents a strategic move for XXXXX. It addresses the challenges of the current model, delivers substantial financial benefits, and positions the company for improved competitiveness and sustainability in the global beef market. The mobile abattoir ownership model emerges as the most advantageous option, providing XXXXX with significant cost savings, operational efficiency, and enhanced control over the production process. Before any final decision is made, it is highly recommended to undertake deeper research into the financial parameters to see if they fit the proposed solution of owning a mobile abattoir. Let's connect with Peter Adams today for a professional feasibility study or a study of internal operational processes.